In my second class of Angel Teachers and Guides, we go over things that will help us become grounded and stay grounded. And this is what I use for myself. A huge redwood tree and or cypress tree. Because it goes so high up, 300, 400 feet high, 300, 400 feet underground, I, as a large person, feel very comfortable setting my spirit into this tree so that I can be that entity, spirit, human, planted by a huge, sturdy thing that is not ever going to move. How grounding is that? So when I take you through your guided meditation, which lasts usually about an hour and a half, so you can talk to spirits for yourself, this is where I usually take my students to a redwood tree or cypress tree so they can know what it feels like, perhaps for the first time, I don't know, to be grounded and not move, not waver. You make a choice, you're in that choice, not moving, not hesitant, not willing to be anything other than stable. And what is more stable? Oh, let's see, there's probably some huge tall steel building, but that too can eventually fall down, right? So I place myself in a redwood tree. Ain't nothing gonna happen to that thing ever. Look at how long they've been around. Just food for thought. Where are you placing your spirit when you get grounded, try to manifest, and stay prosperous? Just food for thought.